Understanding Eclipse Glasses, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating term, eclipse glasses. These aren't your ordinary sunglasses. Join me in understanding what they are and why they're important, especially during solar eclipses. Eclipse glasses are special eyewear designed for safely viewing solar eclipses. Unlike regular sunglasses, they are made with special filters that block out harmful solar radiation and intense sunlight. It's crucial to understand that looking directly at the sun, especially during an eclipse, can be dangerous. That's where eclipse glasses come in. Eclipse glasses contain special solar filters that block out 99.999% of sunlight. This section will explain how these filters protect your eyes by only allowing a tiny, safe amount of sunlight to pass through. We'll also discuss the ISO certification standards these glasses must meet to ensure safety. In this section, we'll dive into the practical aspects. Eclipse glasses are used during solar eclipses, when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun. We'll talk about how to wear them correctly and when it's safe to look at the sun through these glasses. Safety first. Here, we'll emphasize the importance of using genuine, certified eclipse glasses. Counterfeit or uncertified glasses can lead to serious eye damage. We'll share tips on how to recognize and purchase authentic eclipse glasses. I hope this video has shed light on what eclipse glasses are and their significance. Remember, safety is key during solar eclipses, and the right glasses can make the experience both safe and unforgettable. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the English language and the world around us.